Hey, this is Randy at Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's one of our other 2024 Porsche 911 Targas. This one is in paint to sample Alex Gray. Really a beautiful, unique combination here. Some nice options and features that we'll see when we go inside. Let's have sport exhaust. Take a look inside here. Let's see a combination of the leather and the carbon fiber. Carbon fiber down here on the door sill. Porsche's 18-way seats, so we have adjustment for this bolster and this bolster, and it's shaped as a sport seat. Inside, as it sits, 542 miles. See, it does have sport chrono, so you can go from normal to sport plus mode. Porsche design fascia for the sport chrono. Coming down here, sport exhaust, hazard control. We also have both ventilated and heated seats for both driver and passenger. GT steering wheel. We do have a heated steering wheel as well. Any questions about this car, reach out to me, Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. That's 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.